Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the January DivineDiva box. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. It is a huge white color box and it has a layer of bubble wrapping over it. So this is how the box looks like. It has the logo of DivineDiva as well. The box has reached me in perfect condition. Whatever courier service she is using, it is really good. And once I open, I have a layer of butter paper. And inside that we have the leaflets and a lot of coupons and all. And here are the products. Most of the products are bubble wrapped individually. So let me open up the bubble wrapping and then get back to you guys. So let me start with the star product of the month. This is the Nature's Co White Tea Night Cream for all skin types. It's a 50 ml product and the cost of this product is $9.95, which is way more than the price of the box, and it expires in 6/2019. In the ingredients, it has white tea extract, cocoa butter, olive oil, vitamin E, almond oil, cream-based aroma and natural preservatives. I have actually used this product already and I absolutely love it. This has some anti-aging properties as well, which I'm not sure whether it works or not, but apart from that, all its claims are true. And what I like the most about this is not a sticky or greasy or oily night cream. Usually night creams are quite thick and they make your skin very oily. This one here is very non-sticky. It gets absorbed into your skin completely, and even though it nourishes and moisturizes your face very well, it is not at all oily. So this, in my opinion, is a perfect night cream for summertime when you tend to sweat a lot. But basically you can use this anytime. You would love using this. It has a nice fragrance as well. The product actually works on its claims. I do love the product and I'm so happy to receive this in a very affordable box like this. Then the next most attractive product for me was this Satliva handmade body soap. This is the hemp with avocado variant infused with peppermint extracts. The packaging itself is very luxurious. It comes in a box like this, which has magnetic closure. Here it says natural nutrition, no chemicals, freshly made, and this is how the interior looks like. Here they have all the information about the product, and the soap looks like this. It has a very prominent peppermint kind of scent. Very nice, very good fragrance. MRP is 379 rupees, manufactured very freshly in December 2017. Expiry is 120 days from that. Because this does not have any kind of chemicals and preservatives, so expiry is comparatively lesser than other products. Net quantity is 100 grams and this is a really good soap. I was very impressed with the body butter which I received last month in the same box. And I wanted to try some more products from the same brand, and I'm so happy to receive this. The product is very promising. The packaging itself is so good. Having this kind of packaging for a soap is just awesome. I'm very happy with this product, a very luxury product. And then the last skincare product here is this Mom's Therapy Herbal Hair Oil of 50 ml. Cost of this product is 150 rupees and expiry is 11/2019. In the ingredients, it has first cold pressed black sesame oil, Brahmi Bhringraj, bottle gourd, amla, camphor powder, fenugreek, rose petals, and a lot of other things. Castor oil is also there. You have to use it normally, massage on your scalp, and here are the benefits mentioned for this product. I've used quite a few of their products. I think at least 3 to 4 products from the same brand. They do work quite well. This product is kinda like dark in color. This oil is not transparent or light colored. It is like dark in color because it is infused with lots of herbs. It does not have any good kind of fragrance. It has a normal oil kind of fragrance, that too an Ayurvedic oil kind of fragrance. So this is something that you can use overnight or just before shampoo of your hair. But as long as it works well and makes my hair better, I do not need any kind of fragrance in the oil. This does look very promising from the ingredients list and I'm very excited to try this. Moving to the makeup section, we have 2 products from Viewfly. The first product is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. It says it is 8-hour wear, easy to apply, long stay, non-irritating formula that dries quickly. Here are more details about the product and the key ingredients. The cost of this product is $199. Manufacturing is 9/2016 and best before 24 months. That means it will expire in 9/2018, so I'll have to use it within 9 months. So this is a bit of old stock, but still we have time to use it up because eyeliner is something that we use very frequently. It is a 4 ml product and this is how the packaging looks like. I have seen this kind of packaging for Maybelline and many other brands. So it is very convenient and easy to use packaging. So this is how the brush looks like. Definitely very good pigmentation wise, but it doesn't apply very evenly, so you'll have to apply 2 to 3 coats of this to make it even. The applicator is quite good. It is a bit stiff, so you can apply very easily, and overall the product seems very promising. And since it is a essential black eyeliner, I'm definitely happy to receive this. Then the next product is this blusher, which has a normal kind of packaging. The price is 350 rupees and it has 4 grams of product. Again manufactured in September 2016, best before 24 months. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a normal bright pink blusher shade that you'll find mostly available in market. Before these 2 products, I've actually received a Beaufly lipstick in another subscription box and that was quite good. So I feel these will be good too. And then moving to the jewelry section, we have 2 products inside this red mesh pouch. At first we have this simple and cute oxidized silver earring. It is very simple, perfect for casual wear, daily use. You can wear it with your suits, kurtis, you can wear it to office, college, everywhere. And this would match all of your outfits, like literally all of your outfits. So I'm quite happy to receive this. I do like such daily wear pieces. The quality and finishing of this piece is also really good. And then we have received a very unique and exciting piece of jewelry here. So here we have an anklet like this, very simple one. It has a chain like this and it has small ghungroos here. But what is special about this piece of jewelry is it is made up of panch dhatu, that is 5 metals. And as you use this is going to shine more. For artificially jewelry, as we use it, they become worse. The shine goes, it breaks and stuff. Normally the artificial jewelry colors fade when they touch water, but when water touches this anklet, it is going to shine more and more. That is what the claims of this product is, and I was very happy to know that. That is something very unique and that is something really nice because this is going to stay for long if you use it. And that is not all. This anklet has actually some health benefits as well. These panch dhatus are good to wear in the sense they cool your body and keep your body more calm and cool. That is the effect of wearing these metals. Isn't that so awesome? Getting a piece of jewelry that is good for health as well, and that is going to get better after use. I was very impressed with this jewelry choice, a jewelry with this kind of metal. So a big thumbs up for this piece of jewelry. Now after that we have received something packaged like this. I did not open it offline because this looked quite nice, gift wrapped, so I thought I'll open it on camera. It is bubble wrapped as well. So this is what the product looks like. This is actually a bangle case. They have different colors in this and they will be sent randomly. This is how it looks. You can keep both the sets, like for both your hands here. There is a separator here. I believe this will contain 2 dozens of bangles, and this is so nice when you're going for a trip or for some function and you have to carry your bangles. It's really difficult to carry them. You cannot even take the entire box of bangles with you. So this is really convenient when you have to go somewhere, because this is very stiff and it will keep your bangles safe. A very thoughtful piece of product. I definitely liked it. And then we have a personal hygiene product as well. This is from the Peabody and it is a pack of 2. It says ladies freedom to stand and pee. No more dirty toilets, no more UTI, say yes to hygiene. So it has all the instructions how you are supposed to use it. This is really helpful if you're going out somewhere and you have to use public toilets. This is so good because you need not sit on those toilets. You can stand and pee now. using these. I'm very happy to receive this. These are very useful products and this is something that we ladies need. A big thumbs up to Peabody as well for coming up with these innovative and really good products for us ladies. And then I have a packet like this, inside which there are a lot of toffees and this Love It Caramelicious chocolate. Really happy to receive some eatables and some goodies. I love receiving them in any box. And then there is a card again. Last time also she had sent a Christmas card. It was really good. And this time also we have a New Year card here. It says sending warm wishes on New Year for life's best always. A very pretty, very lovely card. This is how it looks from inside. I'm so happy. Getting a proper card like this is really amazing. I loved it. And then here we have a Nature's Co voucher as well. It has a 399 rupees off on a purchase of 14.99. So you can use it if you're buying any Nature's Co products. And then there is a flyer like this from Satliva. It has their website address and some of their products mentioned here. From Mom's Therapy also we have this leaflet. Here are all the different products from Mom's Therapy. They have hair oil, body oil. I've used the body oil, eyebrow oil also I've used, coffee body scrub also I've used. I would love to use the comb and the hair pack as well. I've got the hair oil in this box. They are available on all these websites as well, and here are some more details about the product. There is another small leaflet about the hair oil itself, like how to use it and how it is produced and how it benefits your hair. It says it treats premature graying of hair, promotes hair growth, protects from sunlight, treats dandruff, moisturizes the scalp, prevents dry hair, helps in deep conditioning, revitalizes damaged hair and combats hair loss. So it's pretty much every hair issue. They are going to take care of it. So now the box is empty. We had these confetti papers for shock proofing inside the box. Let's finally have a look at the info card. It says DivineDiva, hey beautiful, welcome to DivineDiva family. Enjoy your January month edition. Wish you a very happy new year 2018. Thanks for shopping. Regards, DivineDiva. And here is the product list. The Nature's Co night cream is for $9.95. It was mentioned on the product itself, and also the Mom's Therapy hair oil is for $150. Satliva handmade body soap price was also mentioned as $379. Beaufly blusher was for $359 and eyeliner was for $199. Jewellery is mentioned as $250, which is pretty good considering it has good quality products. Peabody urinary funnel is for $50, and the first 30 lucky divas will get a surprise gift. This bangle box is the surprise gift. So those are all the products in the January DivineDiva box. I'm definitely very impressed, especially with the skincare section and the unique piece of jewelry. The total worth of the contents is somewhere around 2,500 and the box is priced at just Rs 649 plus shipping. So savings wise, it is a pretty awesome deal. I'm very happy with the savings part. But actually what impressed me the most is that all the 3 skincare products are really good. I have used and loved these products. They are from really good brands, so I'm quite happy to receive them. And even the makeup section has an essential black eyeliner. The anklets were more than just another piece of artificial jewelry. I loved the anklet. That was again a star product for me. And it was a good mix of everything. We have skincare, we have makeup, we have jewelry, we have personal hygiene, some eatables, and this surprise gift, the bangle box, is like a lifestyle product. So we have everything in one box and it is so affordably priced. Overall, I'm quite happy and satisfied with the box. Definitely value for money and worth buying. If you like the products and would like to get this box for yourself, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.